Hi, and welcome to an easy explanation. Today, we're going to be talking about atmospheric circulation. Let's get started. Topic 1. Winds. To start, the Coriolis effect is the impact that the Earth's spinning has on our atmosphere. These winds are responsible for steering the flow of tropical cyclones that form over the ocean and to guide their path westwards. They were called the trade winds because these are the winds that the trade ships use to move and trade with the West. The westerlies. These are at mid-latitudes, blowing west to east. They're stronger in the winter and weaker in the summer, and they're stronger in the southern hemisphere than the northern hemisphere as there's less land to slow them down. The polar easterlies. These winds move from east to west and are found in the poles. They're cold winds from the high pressure of the polar highs moving towards an area of low pressure. These winds are generally weak and in irregular areas. Topic 2. Cells. The polar cell. Air cools down and sinks. Once the air is warm enough, it rises back up to the poles, and this cycle repeats, creating a cell. The cell is thermally direct, and it is driven because it was so cold in the poles. The Hadley cell. Air warms and rises. Once the air is cool enough, it drops back to the equator, and the cycle repeats, creating the cell. The Hadley cell is thermally driven, as it is driven because it's so hot at the equator. The Ferrel cell. This is controlled by the polar cell and the Hadley cell moving. Warm air is rising at 30 degrees north or south, and cold air is falling at 60 degrees north or south, and is essentially a gear being moved by the other cells. The Ferrel cell is thermally unpredictable and is the reason for the unsettled weather in the UK. Pressure. Topic 3. At the equator, the pressure is low because it's really hot and air is rising. Whereas at the poles, there is high pressure because the air is very cold and falls because the poles are very cold. Low pressure is caused because air rapidly rises. When there's low pressure, there is usually rain. High pressure is caused when air rapidly falls, and usually there is no rain. The subpolar low is caused because the cold air in the poles falls and then heats up, creating low pressure below the poles. The subtropical high is caused because the hot air from the equator rises and then cools, creating high pressure in the subtropics. Hope you find this helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, enjoy, and subscribe. Thank you very much.